Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you some hidden feature in Microsoft Word that you should definitely try. Let's get started. So, open the Microsoft Word. When you open it, you don't need to start with a blank page. Click on Theme. You can simply search for online themes and then you will be able to find resume template, letters, report, and many more. Just pick a style you like and start editing. It saves a lot of time and gives your document a professional look. Now, if you want your text to stand out, simply select the text, right-click onto it. Here you'll see options like shadows, outlines, glow, and reflection. Pick the effects you like and the Word will apply it instantly. It's a simple way to make heading and title look more stylish. After that, you can also create your own reusable template. Simply tap on File, tap on Save As, and then choose Word Template. And then here you will be able to find an option that says Save as Word Template. You will find that option depending on the version of Microsoft Word you have installed. Anytime you want to use the same layout or formatting, you can open your custom template and start working right away. Also, if you want to stop others from making changes on that document, simply tap on File, tap on Info, and then simply tap on Protect Document. Here you can restrict, make the file read only, add a password. This is great for resumes, forms, or documents you want to keep safe. And those are some hidden features in Microsoft Word that you might not know about. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.